Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you've all been safe and well. In today's Outer Beauty video, I will be showing you guys a quick and easy recipe of how to make fish kebabs. So from the poll I had on Instagram, you guys picked this over the makeup tutorial. So I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do this. It's really easy to make and super delicious. I'm making a sort of healthy version, so I hope you guys will try this out at home and will enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. Okay guys, so firstly I'm going to show you guys all of the ingredients and then I'm going to show you this sort of method of how to make it. So guys, to make the fish kebabs, you can use any type of fish. I'm using tinned tuna here in sunflower oil. You can use mackerel, sardines, salmon, tuna, whatever floats your boat. Alongside this, we're going to be using some finely diced carrots, some chopped cooked beetroot here, spring onions, 1 tomatoes finely diced. Also we have some fresh coriander, fresh mint, 45 chopped green chilies, and then we've got some lemon zest here. Also we have 2 eggs, table salt, vegetable oil, turmeric powder and curry powder, and to bind it together with using the eggs, we've got some flour here, so we've got some plain flour here. Also guys, instead of using potatoes, I'm using a healthier option, so I'm using sweet potatoes which are on boil right now. I'm going to drain these and then use it to mix the rest of the ingredients in with. So these are the ingredients guys, and we're going to move on to the method now. So guys, as you can see, the sweet potato is boiled now, like really soft. Let me grab myself a fork. As you can see, it's fully cooked, so I'm going to drain these and then mash them up. And it's really simple to make if you make this at home. Maybe prepping will take you some time, but to actually make it, it's really easy. So yeah, let me just drain this and then I will show you guys how to do the rest. So guys, as you can see, I've drained the water from the sweet potato and now I'm just going to use a fork to mash it up. So it's nearly done now anyway. So you're going to cook the potatoes until they're really soft. Right, so once this is done, we're going to move on to cracking the eggs. Right, so that's one. And that's the other one. So let's just get this fork here. Just gonna whisk this up. So we're going to be using the eggs and the flour to just make the outer coating of the kebabs. So this is going to work as a binding agent to just hold all of the ingredients together. The sunflower oil inside the tuna is going to work as a binding agent also, as we have like tons of ingredients here that we have to sort of mix in together. So this is why I've chosen to use the tuna in sunflower oil. So let's just finish whisking this up and then we will take the tuna out as well. So we're going to take this tuna out now. Guys, it's ice cream break. We've got a bit of Ben and Jerry's. Right, cool. Oh, my teeth. In terms of the salt, I want to quickly highlight to you guys that This does have quite a lot of salt in it already, so be mindful when you're adding the table salt in. So we're going to start off by adding the tuna into here with the potato. Now, obviously, with us Asians, we like to use our hands, so that's what I'm going to do when I'm going to be mixing it all up, because we're going to be using turmeric and curry powder also to mix this in. So the best way our mum and our aunties have taught us to do it is to use our hands and make sure we get it all nice and mixed up. So that's what I'm going to do. 1 medium carrot here, finely diced. We have 2 cooked beetroot here, chopped. We also have 4 spring onions here, and we have 1 diced tomato. On top of that, we will be adding some fresh mint, some fresh coriander, 4 green chilies here. You can add as many or as less as you want, depending on how much spice you like in your food. And also I have some lemon zest here also, so some lemon zest. Next, we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons, heaped teaspoons of curry powder, and also half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt for now. Like I mentioned before, the tuna does have some salt in it, so I'm not going to go overboard. So guys, just to let you know, I ended up using 3 tins of tuna because I felt like it was too much. You can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or however many you want. So now we're going to give this a nice old mix. So guys, we've mixed up the kebab mixture now, and we're going to be making them into the kebab shapes and then putting them into the oil to fry. So I'm going to add some oil here, shallow to deep frying these. So we're going to wait for the oil to just heat up. So guys, get ready to make both of your hands a bit messy, so both of your hands are going to be in use here. So we're going to mold the kebabs now. So we're going to make them into sort of round ball shape, and then we're going to flatten it a bit like this. Right. So guys, then we're going to put it into the egg here. So guys, from the egg, we're going to move it directly into the flour. Like so. And then we're going to pop it straight into here. Okay guys, so we're going to cook these until they are golden brown. turn these around. Let's put this up a bit. So guys, they should look something like this. This is like the perfect colour, as you can see. Completely melted now. It's nice though. Give me some. This is the ice cream break, guys. Although it's completely melted, and I demolished this. Okay. See what's going on with these. Oh, they're burning. You have to sort of keep your eye on it, guys, because it can burn really easily. So guys, that's pretty much it. As soon as it's fried up, you can enjoy the fish kebabs. Yeah, so you can enjoy the fish kebabs as a snack. So you can make some chaat with it, or you can have it with rice as a side dish, or you can also make a gravy to go with it and then pop these in the gravy and then have it like a curry. Hang on, what do you call them? You call them kofta. You can have it in a kofta form with gravy. That's the last one here done right now. As you guys can see, there's so much more of it left. I am going to make more, but for now I'm just gonna showcase those ones to you, the ones that have just been cooked right now. So these ones. What? Let's turn this off. So guys, let me plate these up for you and I'll be back. So guys, this is what the fish kebabs have turned out like. They look really good. I'm not sure how they look like on camera, but I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and I hope you try this at home. You can put in whatever fish you like, whatever vegetables you like, whatever sort of floats your boat, and just sort of mold it into a nice shape and pop it in the oil, and then it's ready to eat. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's Outer Beauty video, and if you guys would like any more recipes, then please do let me know in the comment section, or let me know on any of my social medias, and I will definitely try to show you guys some more healthy, sort of healthy recipes. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Maybe someone might want to try this recipe at home. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Stay safe, stay positive and keep the vibrations high. Bye!